Today I'll be presenting one of Foxia's toolkit calculators, the Ohm's law visualizer. It's a simple intuitive design that using the voltage and current using two elements in the circuit calculate the remaining two with a very clear graphical interface or graphical visualization shown below. In more depth, we can talk about the relationship between voltage and current. As we mentioned earlier, the voltage is current times resistance and the power is voltage times current. But what does it actually mean? Or how can we use the calculator to help us understand the relationship more clearly? So the relationships are expressed below. Opening the calculator shown here. And as we mentioned earlier, if we input the relationship between the voltage and current, we can find the resistance. We can also notice that the resistance is actually the slope of this line, the slope of the relationship between the voltage and current. As well as this point, this red point is referred to as the operating point or Q point, the point in which our circuit operates at. And as we can see that the relationship is linear relationship. This means that our element or our resistance is a linear element that has a linear relationship between the voltage and current. This is not the case in elements like an inductor or a capacitor, but this is definitely the case in elements such as passive loads or resistors. This calculator is very intuitive. Changing, for example, the voltage, we can see that as we increase the voltage, the slope becomes more steep. Or as we increase the current, the slope becomes less. We can, using the graphical interface, this can help us understand the relationship more. A circuit with a higher resistance would have a steep slope, while a circuit with low resistance would have a shallow slope. This calculator can be you can test this calculator using the link in the description below.